In this video, we're diving into the world of maintenance and tackling a term you may have come across: corrective maintenance. Corrective maintenance is the maintenance hero, rushing to fix issues and get things back on track. Swiftly react to breakdowns with efficient corrective maintenance solutions. Skilled team troubleshoots and addresses issues, restoring functionality with corrective maintenance expertise. Keep your operations running smoothly. Swiftly resolve issues, minimize downtime, maximize productivity with corrective maintenance. Cost-effective corrective maintenance promptly prevents minor issues from becoming major catastrophes. Level up your maintenance game today and share the benefits with your team. Optimize operations for success. Visit oxmate.com and unlock streamlined maintenance management solution. Experience enhanced reliability, increased efficiency, and reduced costs for your organization.
Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Stay curious and keep exploring.